purpose of today for me is to work on two basic things. One is the field setting, and one is the different options that you will bowl with that field setting.
Need money for celebrations or for emergencies? Presenting Credit B. Loans anytime, anywhere.
When the game's on the line, whether we're batting or bowling, it's about how we deal with the game under pressure the last 5 overs. So a lot of what we do today is all of the bowlers sitting with the captain, going through the field sets in terms of different options. So obviously, no matter what option you have, what field you have, you've got to have at least 3 options in terms of deliveries you can bowl. And then when you're under pressure, how you're going to get out of that, whether you're going to split the over up, maybe change the field. So a really good exercise to do. And from a batting point of view, same thing, facing left arm, right arm. What we can see here is the batsman can see the field that they set straight away. So looking straight at the screen. So they don't have to, there's no yelling out, fielder coming up, down. You just look at the screen. You've got positions on the screen in terms of where the field is, and then obviously from a batting point of view, you're trying to manipulate that field. So a really good exercise, and obviously we apply a bit of pressure to it as well and creating some game situations.
It's just asking them what they're trying to achieve with the ball, what the field they've got set, what the plan is, and then after the ball, whether they executed, whether it was the right plan, what they could potentially do different next time, having to think about the batter, what he might be likely to do. So just those conversations around clarity and around understanding what we're trying to execute. Faf's been brilliant, so he's just trying to get a handle on the bowlers and what their strengths are when they're under pressure, what they want to go to. He's very much trying to interact with them as much as he can, so when they're out under pressure in the game, it's not all of a sudden different. It's the same as what we've been doing for the last week. So Faf's been outstanding, and looking forward to him leading the team.
सबसे बड़ी चीज़ कि ओपन नेट्स मिला लास्ट में डेस्ट बॉलिंग के लिए, तो मज़ा आया। उसमें एक प्लान हम लोग को दिया गया था, मतलब क्लियर था कि तुमको इस प्लान पे डालना है, रन पड़े जो भी पड़े, तो उस पे डालने में मज़ा आ रहा था कि जो मुझे प्लान मिल रहा है, जो फील्ड मिला है, उस पर बॉलिंग डालना है। कुछ बॉलें हो रही थी, कुछ नहीं भी हो रही थी, तो उन्होंने बताया कि तुम उसके बारे में मत सोचो, रन जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है, तुम्हारा काम है वहाँ बॉल डालना। अगर वहाँ से रन खा रहे हो तो कोई बात नहीं। तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है उस चीज़ से कि हम बॉल डाल रहे हैं, अगर हो रहा है तो भी ठीक, नहीं हो रहा है तो भी ठीक, तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है माइंड में। तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा उसके बाद।